Then this was your first trade, bud.
Yeah, yeah, it was.
So
So
how did you do on this trade? Can kind of walk us through how you traded this.
I got in just above in that consolidation green, the buy signal, just around there.
So
Uh,
I remember right
yeah,
about here, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
right around there. Uh, and I oh, what's that word? I put more in once it broke. It went higher high.
Well, you
Uh,
held here first, right? You held it.
I held. Yes,
And,
yeah.
and and this was pretty cool because it right here, it went through support a little bit, but it closed right at that support line. No red candles, got some white candles, and
Yeah.
Dean held this. This was his first trade. And I just knew Dean would have I just knew he closed the trade. I just knew he'd close the trade, right? Because this is where it's tough for us to hold on to the trade, right?
Here's the thing. This was a turning point for me, Dave. That was the day when it hit the white candle, and
Uh-huh.
I looked on TradingView. Remember, I was going back and forth between Monster Systems and TradingView, and
Mm.
TradingView said sell. I shut it down. I shut it down. I haven't looked at TradingView again.
Ever since.
Nope. So, yeah. So as it uh, went higher, I saw the higher highs, right?
Okay.
So once it broke that high again, then I what's the word? Not phased in, but I added more to my position.
So you scaled
I
up.
added scaled up 3 times. Yeah,
You scaled up three times total
yeah,
time. Okay. All right. And you held it here also on this
yeah,
pullback here. You held it
mhm,
here.
yeah.
And you held it here also.
Yes. Hmm.
Oh, good job. Now, did you get out? Where did you get out? Did you get
Right.
out
About that
here or
second, yeah, just about that, maybe the second candle.
the second candle?
Yeah,
Which one? Here?
just beside it, to the right of it. Yeah, that one.
This one? Okay. All right.
Hmm.
All right. Did you wait for the sell signal or the red candle? Did you wait for the sell signal
Well,
by
it
by
was
the
I
system?
forget the yeah, it was I forget it was the time when I looked at it. By the time I looked at it, it was on that second. I said, "Oh, time to get out."
Okay. 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 And you closed all three positions.
Yeah, yeah,
Good job. This is your
mhm,
first trade and you nailed it,
yeah.
right? Your first
Oh,
trade.
good.
Yeah. And you held, right? This is the critical
Yeah,
thing, right? You held it here, held it on the pullbacks, and then you got out when you're supposed to get out. Okay.
yeah.
So good job.
Yeah,
Good job.
why didn't it give a sale signal on that first pullback? That's like look like a it was breaking the support.
This one right there, Ranjit,
No, the
Yeah.
below one, the below
right
most
here.
one. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, it broke a little, but it held the white candles, right? So he
Hmm.
had white candles. Here is your support line right here. Here is your support line, and it
Yeah.
held, right? It fell below support, but it closed. It came and closed back above support.
Mm.
But the important thing is that he still had white candles, all
Yeah.
right? And he didn't have a red candle. It didn't sell. And then we had follow through with green candles. And that's really nice. When you can get these white candles here, followed by a green candle,
Hmm.
that's really good. All right. Just like here, same thing here, and then same thing here. And then red candle out, close it, we're done. All
Yeah.
right. Perfect trading. Good job. And on your
Hmm.
first trade, right? And Dean and I, what I try to do with traders, all our traders, is help you with your first trade. All right, help you with your first trade. And so this was Dean's first trade using the system. And what's amazing is that he held. If you can hold through these pullbacks, right? These pullbacks. And you see here, Ranjit hit, held support, right? Held support, held support, all right? Then you'll find no red candles, right? So when you end these trends in the markup phase, right, you can sit back and let the trade move, right, until you get sell signal, red candle. Purple support and resistance, you can pay attention to those, but that's not a reason to close the trade.
Yep.
All right. That's not a reason to close the trade. All right. So very, very good job, Dean. And what you want to do is you want to do this every single time. All right. Hey, Zaire, welcome. Welcome, Zaire. All right,
So
Zaire.
technically, David, like get into buy and get out at sell signal. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Just follow that.
Yeah. Well, it's more than that, right? So like um
Means
um
like over there at that pullback, it didn't give a sell signal. So we just keep it tight and keep holding, right?
yeah, but it sounds easy, but it's not, right? That's why Dean did a good job for his first trade on these pullbacks right here. So he entered here, right? Now, right from here to here, that pullback, you're gonna see your P&L will go negative, right? And we're trading on a forward time frame. So this pullback here, you'll see a difference in your equity, right? So that's not good. You're gonna see that. So it yes, we want to stay in, but it's gonna play with you, gonna play tricks on your mind, right? You're gonna want to close the trade because it went down, right? And then even here, right? Even we're here, so he stayed in here and then it went up all the way here. Even this pullback,
Mhm.
although he's in profit, even this pullback right here, it doesn't feel good. And this is what we have to fight against, right? It just doesn't feel good because our account will go, it wouldn't here he went negative. Here, because he entered here, pull back all the way down here, right? If it had given us a red candle or sell signal, he would have had to taken a loss. He would have had to take a loss. All right. And that's what really messes with us. All right. So the fact that he held here and then here, yes, he was in profit, but again, it's a drawdown in your on your account, right? Your P&L. And then even here, right? And every time it pulls back, it's what we're saying to ourselves is, man, I should have gotten out. Should have gotten out. I should have gotten out. So yes, Ranjit. I mean, we want to stay in it, but it's not as easy as that, right? We have to force ourselves to stay in. All right. But the not having a red candle, not having a sell signal helps us to stay in until that happens. Okay. Okay.